Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix snap something went wrong while displaying this web page in Google Chrome. So here's what you gotta do. You simply open a new tab, click three dots, go to the settings, go to privacy and security, go third-party cookies, and then click outside data. And you can find the exact page where the error occurred. Let's say Facebook. And you can press delete and it will delete the files, as will remove all the files for that location. The next thing you can do is go to your extensions, and if you have, let's say, ad block or some third party extension or something that you recently downloaded and it's affecting your Chrome or whatnot, you can disable it. And next thing also you can do, go back to this page. You can check performance and see here if it's balanced or not. Also, if it's YouTube that is crashing, you can add it here. Go to performance and then click here, add, and then type in youtube.com. Or Twitch or whatever website. If you're watching streams and it dies, it might be lack of memory. So you can put this to balanced also. If you have this enabled, disable it. And the last ditch effort you can do is reset settings. With reset settings and do this, but it will reset everything, disable touches, delete all the cookies and stuff. But I don't recommend this. And one more thing you can do is just simply on the page, it's Control and F5, and it will deeply reset the page, and then the page should work properly. It will take a bit longer to load, but it will deeply reset the page, and then the error should be gone. That's it for this video. That's how you fix the snap error on Google Chrome. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.